I mean, in this matter, on the last date of hearing on 24/10/24, certain directions were issued by this Honorable Court, Madam. Just to verify whether this matter can be transferred to the tribunal. Yes. Armed Force Tribunal, Madam.
So I got the order of
Lord, my learned,
sir.
Mr. Vivek,
Yes, sir.
you are posted
Posted with MCT Mohu, sir. MCT Mohu.
in
MCTE, Military College of Telecommunication Engineering.
Military College of
Telecommunication Engineering, Mohu.
ये आपने क्या पोजीशन मिलिट्री
But my submission is that
कॉलेज ऑफ टेली
Army Force Tribunal is there, Madam. This matter.
बट वेदर he is working as
He is working as Havaldar.
हवलदार
And
पोस्टिंग इनकी मिलिट्री कॉलेज
yes, Madam.
और क्या चैलेंज क्या कर रहा
Madam,
है
transfer order. Annex P1, page 10.
यहाँ कैसे आएगा भाई आपको आपको आर्म्ड फोर्सेस ट्रिब्यूनल में जाना पड़ेगा
Sir, on the last day, the court has ordered us to verify whether this matter can be heard at the Armed Forces Tribunal bench. With respect to that, I have got the order of Armed Forces Tribunal Regional Bench, Mumbai. Sir, on page number 3, the second last para reads out, sir. We also find that the matter of transfer oblique posting is excluded in definition of service matters under section 3O and subsection 2 of the Act. The same is not cognizable by the tribunal. Therefore, we are of the view that transfer oblique posting case being excluded from the definition of service matters defined in section 304 subsection 2 of the Armed Forces Tribunal Act 2007 does not fall within the purview of service matters, and therefore the same is not cognizable in the Armed Forces Tribunal.
लाइए भाई आर्म फोर्सेस ट्रिब्यूनल एक्ट इसी में फोर्सेस ट्रिब्यूनल 2007 आर्म्स फोर्सेस ट्रिब्यूनल एक्ट 2007
Should I pass on this?
Yes, sir. मिस्टर व्यास ये 3 रोमन 2 में
This one.
वो इन्होंने गलत लिखा है रोमन 2 में आए ट्रांसफर्स एंड पोस्टिंग्स इंक्लूडिंग द चेंज but shall not include matters relating to transfers, posting, including the change of place or unit on posting whether individually or इतने in relations and persons subject to Army Act,
Yes, ma'am.
ये तो excluded है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, क्या बताइए?
Sir, firstly, MCT is not the party to this case. The affidavit is submitted by Citrus MCT Mo.
आप challenge क्या कर रहे हैं?
Sir, I am challenging this page number 11, sir, which in the point number 3 they are saying NRS will be intimated by receiving unit, dispatching unit directly in case there is any discipline or civil case pending against the above individuals. They will not be dispatched to their new unit. Intimation to this effect will be given to this office for further consideration of their cases.
Transfer order कहाँ है?
Alright,
Start from page number 10.
start from page 10.
Start from page number 10 and the point civil cases and disciplinary.
Transfer. विवेक, आपका कहाँ नाम कहाँ है?
E,
हम्म?
E, sir.
E. विवेक पटवारी,
Yes, sir.
MCCE मऊ.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
ये कहाँ किया आपका?
17 Mountain Dew Signal Regiments.
हम्म?
17 Mountain Dew Signal Regiment. It's in Gangtok.
It is in Sikkim, Gangtok. ma'am.
क्या? What is your ground?
Sir, I have civil cases pending, sir. MJC custody case
कहाँ? Where?
at Mount. 3 to 4 cases that are pending, and they are all on evidence and cross-examination stage, sir.
So is it a ground for not transferring?
Sir, they have mentioned it itself in the posting order, sir.
Where?
On page number 11, point number 3, sir.
Page number 11.
Yes, sir. Next page of the posting order, sir.
Second last point from
Second
the,
last one, sir.
from the bottom one.
No.
Point number 3.
NRS will be informed.
Carried out, sir.
Please पढ़िए.
NRS will be intimated by the receiving unit, dispatching unit directly in case there is any disciplinary or civil case pending against the above individuals. They will not be dispatched to the new unit. An intimation to this effect will be given to this office for further consideration of their case. And all the intimations, the case are running under the aegis of MCT only. MCT has in all the cases and have the documents which are to be produced.
क्या nature cases के क्या है?
मतलब matrimonial disputes are there.
Matrimonial disputes and some 2 criminal trials.
Criminal trials of.
That defamation case, sir. CT.
क्या आपका क्या research क्या है?
But if my lord may kindly come to para 9 of my reply once. I filed my reply my lord, on 29/4/24 once. My lord, para 9. May I read much?
Yes.
It is most respectfully submitted on behalf of the answering respondent that the petitioner is posted in Peace Station, MCTE Mahu, which is near to his hometown, after completion of 24 months of field tenure at 59 RR
You
Battalion.
are reading which para?
Para 9. My lord, sir.
Reply to grounds.
उसके पहले पर.
Yes.
Just about. Respectfully submitted on behalf of the answering respondents that the petitioner is posted in Peace Station MCTE Mahu, which is near to his hometown after completion of 24 months of field tenure at 59 RR Battalion. Thereafter, the impugned order of the posting of the petitioner was passed in normal course of action in consonance to the posting policy after completion of 36 months tenure in peace. The petitioner was posted at 17 battalion such and such in eastern sector as petitioner was never served in eastern sector zone in his entire service career of 13 years. Thus, the posting order has been passed as per provision of single office in charge general policy instructions number such and such. what happened in this case is that the petitioner has joined his duties on 22/12/2010, Malot, in the armies, Malot.
Yes.
On 1/3/2020, Malot, he was posted at MCT Mahuma.
1, 3.
1/3/2020.
Yes.
And Malot, there are certain instructions which Malot may kindly see annexure R1, R2, Malot, which are the guidelines of the posting policy, Malot. Malot, have it? R2.
Scan actually scan.
Connection subsequently मैंने पेश किए थे मालूम सपोज रिप्लाई के साथ रह गए थे subsequently they were filed.
Taking the annexures on record.
Yes, Malot. That subsequently the application was filed. वो reply के साथ पेश होना रह गया थे मालूम subsequently I have filed an application for taking those documents on record. Annexure R1 and R2. R2 is the policy, Malot. And point number 8 of the policy speaks about the tenure funds.
एक वही which is that आइए for taking documents 0365.
Yes.
एक तो ये है ना तो कोई जजमेंट लगा हुआ है.
Yes, Malot. Now R1 is the judgment fund and R2 is the policy, Malot.
हाँ क्या what is
इसका point number 8 जो second page पे है मालूम that speaks about the tenure of the posting at various places.
R
R2 का point 8 tenure.
इसमें 7 दिख रहा है.
मालूम 8 एक चार्ट बना हुआ है
7 restricted.
उसका next one
Next, tenure.
8 yes ma'am tenure.
Yes.
इसमें unit in piece मालूम A 2.5 to 3 years मालूम. So right now my learned friend is posted at unit in piece मालूम. So his tenure is 2.5 years to 3 years, Manoj. And he is here since more than 4 years, almost 5 years, Manoj. But as per these guidelines, Manoj, no one is permitted to.
And what about this, where we read if the case is pending?
Manoj, all these are matrimonial disputes, Manoj. Whenever he'll apply for the leave, Manoj will sanction the leave, Manoj,
Sir,
to appear before the court, Manoj.
sir, there is a bit of problem because 17 mountain is situated in Sikkim and the traveling route is around 3 days from there and 3 days again from here.
Where is that जो इनका मेंशन था नोट आपने बताया
Manoj, it is
सिविल और क्रिमिनल पेज
11, page 11.
Page 11, sir.
Bottom is below second para.
Sir, all these cases are on recording of evidences and cross-examination. And approx 2 to 3 dates are there in a month. It would be very difficult because I have only 90 days of leave or twice in a year. I cannot apply for more than 90 days.
NRS क्या
NRS is the nearest railway station, sir.
nearest
I can appear for 1 or 2 days, hardly.
Station, nearest railway station.
रेलवे स्टेशन.
Yes, sir. Nearest railway station.
What if फिर ये क्या भाई NRS will be intimated by receiving unit?
Yes, sir.
What does it mean?
At the receiving unit at 17 will, they have to intimate the MCTE about the nearest railway station of the unit.
तो इनका नियरेस्ट रेलवे स्टेशन क्या है?
My lord, आप कौन सा हैं?
सिक्किम
सिक्किम में
गैंगटॉक
गैंगटॉक में हैं क्या?
Hmm?
गैंगटॉक.
गैंगटॉक
And my lord, all the matters are matrimonial disputes. My lord, may kindly see they have already annexed it from page 12 onwards, my lord.
Sir, it is about the sorting of evidences and witness, cross examination of witness.
Where?
And I have already said to be present, sir.
इसको पढ़िए फिर आप पेज 11 को मिस्टर व्यास इंटरप्रेट इन केस देयर इज एनी disciplinary process
Disciplinary, sir.
or civil case
Pending.
pending,
Against the above individual.
they will not be dispersed to their
Dispersed to new-
intimation to this effect
Any-
will be given to this office.
Work for that
According to
consideration.
you, matrimonial matter is not a civil case.
Yes, my lord, that is our subject.
Sir, they are civil cases, sir. RCS,
सर ये अच्छा आप ही बताइए
sir.
बताइए कैसे we define a civil case.
RCS, sir, regular civil suit.
Hmm?
RCS is a regular civil suit, sir. MJCR are miscellaneous judicial cases, sir. RCT is a regular criminal trial. And all these are going on, sir. And the recording of evidence is in the cross examination.
कितने cases आपके pending?
Sir, one is for defamation for custody of my daughter. That's under the Guardians and Ward Act. And one is for maintenance and defamation, maintenance, and 3 cases are pending, sir.
All arising out of the matrimonial disputes. ma'am. And my lord, he right now he
Sir,
is posted near to his house, my lord, to his hometown, Mahu.
And if they are saying, sir, with reference to the reply which they have produced, point number 9, sir, they are saying respondent posted in police station, which is near to his hometown, after completion of 24 months of field tenure at 59 RR battalion. Sir, I was posted, the posting order was issued in just 18 months of my tenure. That 24 months, they are saying is not correct, sir.
No, my lord, this is wrong submission, my lord.
No, sir, I was
Posted on 22/12/2000, 1/3/2020, my lord, at Mahu. Thereafter, this order was passed on 10 February 23, month. After almost 3 years. ma'am. On 1/3/2020,
Secondly, sir-
he joined at Mahu,
here I think
and this order is after
the
3.
posting cell, the counsel for the posting cell should be present here. MCT doesn't have a locus standi here.
इसको कैसे इंटरप्रेट करेंगे मिस्टर व्यास?
My lords.
This page 11. In case there is any disciplinary proceeding or civil cases. This is the kind of that order will be kept in abeyance or show the authority that matrimonial matter is not a civil.
My lord, my lord, may kindly give me a week's time.
Likhit.
I'll.
Sir, I have a request, sir. Sir, dental surgery, my dental surgery has to be performed, and for that I need some time for recovery, sir. I need 2 weeks time for that.
ठीक.
Our appointment tha, but I couldn't go.
The
My lord, may kindly keep it on Monday, my lord. By Monday,
the petitioner in person, Sri Vyas, for the response, Sri Sudhanshu Vyas for the respondents. Respond. Likhit. Upon perusal of the provisions of section 3, on the previous day, a query was made whether the petition is maintainable before this court or the petitioner has to resort remedy before the Armed Forces Tribunal under the Armed Forces Tribunal Act 2007. Upon perusal of the definition of service matters under section 3, bracket O, of the Act to Armed Forces Criminal Act 2007. It is clear that it is clear as per Roman 2 of Roman 4, Roman 2, that transfers and postings, including the change of place or unit, or postings are not included in the definition of service matter. In view of the aforesaid, petition is maintainable before this court. The petitioner has argued that there are matrimonial matter and defamation cases are pending in which his party,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
at Mau,
yes.
and therefore the transfer order could not have been issued in the light of clause 3 of condition number 3 of posting order filed at page the clause 3 reads that nearest railway station NRS will be intimated by receiving unit to dispatching unit directly. In case there is any discrepancy, the disciplinary proceeding or civil case pending against the above individual, they will not dispatch to the new unit. An intimation to this effect will be given to the office for further consideration of their cases. Counsel for the respondent argues that the matrimonial matter and defamation matter would not be covered under the definition of civil case, inverted comma. He prays for time to support to argue the same just after 1 week. Or कल आएंगे आप list on 26th, ठीक है?
Yes,
26th November, list on 26th November.
Sir.
Interim order to continue.
I know.
Yes.
In the matter for grant to two terms